Good morning, everyone. Today I am showing a difference algorithm that's in including in geoprocessing toolbox. Today this topic is my showing my video. I have open into two sample vector polygon data. That is the polygon that is the layer one. Okay, and there is the bill layer. Okay, so there is the two polygon layer. Today we will use in the difference and how to working in this algorithm. So let's start. At first we go to in the vector toolbox, then go to in geoprocessing tool, then you have to click in the difference. Okay, after difference toolbox I have to brief in small. So this algorithm to extract in overlay portion. Okay, so that means we have use in this difference tool. After that the output will be showing in this overlay portion will be removed in this overlay layer. Okay, so means I have to brief in another way. Okay, so we have two parameter. There is a one input layer and there is a second overlay layer. Okay, so overlay layer, which layer we will be selected in this overlay portion will be removed. Okay, in this after algorithm will be run. So I have input layer selected in level layer A, and overlay portion will be selected in layer B. Okay, so layer A in this color, in the red color, in this polygon to in layer A. Okay, and this another polygon is layer V. Okay, so after difference processing in difference, in this portion will be removed. I have to marking in this major toolbox. Okay, in this portion will be after processing the difference toolbox. Okay, so in this portion will be overlay layer, uh, also in this portion. Okay, so let's start. We will process. You have to do not have to save in this difference toolbox. So after process in run, there is the difference. Okay, so in this overlay layer will be removed in this portion. Okay, so difference means uh, इन दिस ओवरले पोर्शन जो आपको ओवरले लेयर में होगा उसको इस एल्गोरिदम रिमूव कर देगा. ओके, विथ इनपुट लेयर. इनपुट लेयर में आप जो भी डेटा डालोगे जो ओवरलैप लेयर में होगा, ओवरलैप लेयर का जो पोर्शन है इनपुट लेयर के पोर्शन से हट जाएगा, तो ओवरले लेयर को वो हटा देगा. ओके, तो इन दिस टूल वी विल बी यूज in this case. Okay, so thank you so much, and in any confusion and anything, please mm, ping in my comment section. Okay, I will definitely help you.